Hey there, thanks for joining me today. I'm really excited to share something pretty cool with you. Narrator. And before we dive in, make sure to check out the link on your screen. Exclusive tips and resources. Don't miss out. Welcome to the free training, where you'll learn how to make money on YouTube without creating your own videos. This is going to be straight to the point, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. This won't be like other trainings that just go over theory. You're going to walk away from this with implementable information that you can do right now. Specifically, I'm going over 4 secrets. Secret 1, how to make money on YouTube without showing your face, plus the best niches to do this in. Secret 2, how to generate content without recording videos and without ever showing your face. Secret 3, the true secret to going viral on YouTube. And Secret 4, monetizing and making money. So, here's my story. I started my YouTube channel after watching the training I have recently received. The training was done by Matt Parr. Today, he runs over a dozen YouTube channels and has made millions of dollars from YouTube. He has a video on his channel, Make Money Matt, where he goes over his full story if you want to check it out. Secret 1, how to make money on YouTube without showing your face, plus the best niches to do this in. Let me give you a basic overview of how this works. First, you find a video idea. Next, you generate the videos. You will be able to implement the secret to getting views, which I'll be talking about in one of the next videos in this series. Okay, so here's some examples of subcategories, with examples of channels as well. Sub-niches can really help you narrow down your focus and connect with a specific audience. Alright, let's talk about health niches. First, gain muscle. That's a really popular topic, and there are tons of channels out there focused on it. Next up, lose weight. Another huge area with lots of great content and examples. And finally, natural remedies. A lot of people are searching for this, and there are some awesome channels doing just that. Now, let's dive into the world of wealth niches. This is a space on YouTube that's absolutely booming, with countless creators sharing their knowledge, tips, and experiences about building and managing wealth. If you're looking to start a channel or just want to understand what's trending, these niches are definitely worth exploring. Number 4 on our list is the Make Money Online niche. This one is truly massive, with a huge audience eager to learn new ways to earn income from home or on the go. From side hustles and freelancing to passive income strategies and digital products, there are so many channels that cover every possible angle. The demand for this content keeps growing as more people look for financial freedom and flexibility. Number 5 is investing. People are always searching for smart ways to grow their money, whether it's through stocks, real estate, crypto, or other assets. Investment channels break down complex topics, share market updates, and offer tips for both beginners and experienced investors. There are some fantastic examples of creators who've built loyal communities by making investing approachable and actionable. Number 6 is all about luxury. Think about channels that showcase luxury lifestyles, high-end products, and exclusive experiences. Whether it's reviewing designer goods, touring luxury homes, or sharing the latest in high fashion, these channels attract viewers who aspire to a more lavish lifestyle, or simply enjoy seeing what's possible at the top end of the market. And finally, number 7 is business stories. These channels focus on sharing inspiring journeys from entrepreneurs and business owners. They highlight the challenges, successes, and lessons learned along the way. Whether it's interviews, documentaries, or case studies, viewers love hearing real stories about how people built their businesses from the ground up. If you're passionate about entrepreneurship, this niche offers endless opportunities to motivate and educate your audience. So, when it comes to happiness, there are actually a surprising number of fascinating niches out there. If you spend any time online, especially on platforms like YouTube, you'll notice that people are constantly searching for new ways to feel happier, more fulfilled, and more at peace with themselves. It's almost like happiness has become its own little universe, with different corners and communities dedicated to exploring what it really means to live a joyful life. For example, ancient wisdom is a big one. Think about people looking for guidance from philosophies like Stoicism or Buddhism to find more joy in their lives. These age-old teachings have made a huge comeback, with modern creators breaking down complex ideas into simple, practical advice. People are drawn to these philosophies because they offer timeless strategies for dealing with stress, uncertainty, and the ups and downs of daily life. Whether it's learning to let go of what you can't control or practicing gratitude, these ancient ideas are helping people find a deeper sense of happiness. And then, there's confidence. Tons of folks are searching for ways to boost their self-esteem, maybe through daily habits or mindset shifts. You'll find entire channels dedicated to morning routines, positive affirmations, and self-improvement challenges. The idea is that by building confidence from the inside out, people can unlock a happier, more successful version of themselves. It's not just about feeling good in the moment, it's about creating lasting change that leads to a more positive outlook on life. These are just a couple of examples of how people are chasing happiness these days. From ancient wisdom to modern self-help, the search for joy is more creative and diverse than ever. Whether you're looking for deep philosophical insights or simple daily habits, there's a happiness niche out there for everyone. And as more people share their journeys online, the world of happiness continues to grow, offering inspiration and support to anyone who wants to live a brighter, more meaningful life. Alright, let's talk about relationships because honestly, that's a huge area online. If you spend even a few minutes browsing YouTube or social media, you'll notice just how many people are searching for answers about their love lives. Relationships are a universal topic. Everyone, at some point, wants advice, guidance, or just a little reassurance that they're not alone in what they're experiencing. The internet has become a go-to place for people to find support, learn new strategies, and hear real stories from others who have been through similar situations. Some people are looking for advice on how to get a boyfriend, whether it's their first relationship or they're getting back into dating after a break. There are countless videos and channels dedicated to helping women understand what men are looking for, how to start conversations, and even how to build confidence before going on a date, while others are searching for tips on getting a girlfriend. For men, there's a whole world of content focused on everything from making a great first impression, to texting tips, to understanding body language. These videos often break down the do's and don'ts of dating, and offer practical advice for building connections. Then, there's the whole niche around getting your ex back. Lots of folks want to know if it's possible and how to do it. This area is especially popular after breakups, when emotions are high, and people are searching for hope or a second chance. There are step-by-step guides, personal stories, and expert opinions on whether rekindling an old flame is a good idea and what steps to take if you decide to try. And of course, fixing relationship problems is always in demand, whether it's about communication or rebuilding trust. Couples often turn to online resources when they're facing challenges, looking for advice on how to resolve conflicts, improve their communication, or heal after a betrayal. There are videos on everything from managing jealousy to setting healthy boundaries, and even tips for keeping the spark alive in long-term relationships. These are just a few of the main relationship niches people are diving into. The world of online relationship advice is massive and constantly growing, with new trends and topics emerging all the time. Whether you're single, dating, or in a long-term partnership, there's a niche out there for you, filled with advice, support, and stories to help you navigate the ups and downs of love. So, let's talk about travel niches. Travel guides are always popular, and one great example is Mojo Travels. There are also channels that focus on the best places to live, which, honestly, a lot of people find super helpful. Moving on to technology niches, we have futuristic tech channels that showcase the latest innovations, and, those are really exciting. Then there are tutorials, which are always in demand for folks wanting to learn new skills. Now, for some bonus niches, scary videos are a big hit and, they really grab attention. Animated videos are another fun option. Animaker is a good example here. And, of course, mind maps, like the ones you see on this channel, can be a great way to organize information visually. You can actually run different YouTube channels by hiring other people to make the videos for you. At the end of this training, you'll have access to step-by-step instructions for building your team, including where to hire people from. And hey, let's keep the background music inspiring as you move forward.